Hey DIY enthusiasts, have you ever found yourself staring at a broken chair or table, wondering which glue would actually do the job right? Are you tired of wasting money on adhesives that just don't hold up? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the world of furniture repair glues. After months of testing these products on various wooden pieces, I'm here to share my hands-on experience with the top 7 glues that could save your precious furniture. I've spent countless hours in my workshop testing these adhesives on everything from delicate antiques to modern furniture pieces, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. Number 7. Titebond 5003-2 Premium Wood Glue. Let me share my experience with the Titebond 5003-2 Premium Wood Glue, a product that's often recommended in woodworking circles. During my extensive testing period, I worked with this glue on various projects, from simple repairs to complex joinery. While it does offer some appealing features, including a strong initial tack and water resistance, I encountered several challenges that you should be aware of. One of the most noticeable issues I faced was the inconsistent drying time, particularly in humid conditions. During a humid summer day in my workshop, I found myself waiting significantly longer than the advertised drying time for joints to set properly. This can be particularly problematic when working on time-sensitive projects or when you need to maintain specific alignment in your furniture pieces. The glue's viscosity presents another challenge. Throughout my testing period, I noticed considerable variation in consistency, sometimes flowing too freely and other times being frustratingly thick. This inconsistency made it difficult to achieve precise application, especially when working on detailed joinery or fine furniture repairs. I often found myself having to adjust my application technique to compensate for these variations. When it comes to different wood types, I discovered that while the glue performs adequately on common domestic woods, it struggles with exotic hardwoods. During a repair project involving Brazilian rosewood, the bond strength wasn't as reliable as I'd hoped. The glue also tends to seep through joints more than expected, which can be particularly problematic when working with expensive or delicate materials. Temperature sensitivity is another factor worth mentioning. In my unheated workshop during winter months, I noticed that the glue's performance was significantly affected by cold temperatures. Number 6. Gorilla Wood Glue. Moving on to my experiences with Gorilla Wood Glue, I spent several weeks putting this adhesive through its paces in various furniture repair scenarios. This glue positions itself as a professional-grade solution, and while it does have some strong points, there are several considerations to keep in mind before making it your go-to choice. During my testing period, I noticed that the glue's performance varies significantly depending on the application conditions. While it creates strong bonds on standard wood types, I encountered some consistency issues that affected the final results. One particular concern was the tendency for the glue line to dry slightly darker than advertised, which became especially noticeable when working with lighter woods like maple or birch. The open time of this glue proved to be shorter than ideal in my experience. While working on a large dining table repair, I found myself rushing to complete the assembly before the glue began to set. This characteristic makes it less suitable for complex projects where you might need more time to adjust and align multiple pieces. The shorter working time can be particularly challenging for novice woodworkers who might need more time to ensure proper alignment. Storage and longevity presented another set of challenges. Despite following the recommended storage guidelines, I noticed the glue tending to thicken up faster in the bottle compared to other products I've tested. This thickening affected its performance and made application more difficult over time. The nozzle design, while functional, occasionally experienced clogging issues, requiring regular cleaning to maintain smooth flow. In terms of moisture resistance, my test results were mixed. While the glue claims to be water resistant, I observed some weakness in joints after exposing test pieces to high humidity environments. This could be a concern for furniture pieces that might be exposed to varying environmental conditions. 5. Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue. Throughout my extensive testing of Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue, I discovered why this product has earned such a strong reputation among professional woodworkers. The first thing that caught my attention was its exceptional water resistance, which surpasses many competitors in its class. During my waterproof testing, joints remained incredibly stable even after prolonged exposure to moisture, making it an excellent choice for bathroom furniture and outdoor pieces. The working characteristics of this glue are particularly impressive. Unlike some other products I've tested, Titebond 3 offers a generous open time of around 8 to 10 minutes, which proved invaluable when assembling complex pieces. I found this especially useful when working on a large cabinet project where multiple joints needed to be aligned perfectly. The initial tack is strong enough to hold pieces in place, yet allows for slight adjustments before final setting. One aspect that really stands out is its gap-filling capability. During my testing on antique furniture repairs, where joints weren't always perfect, the glue demonstrated excellent performance in filling small voids while maintaining structural integrity. The viscosity is perfectly balanced, thick enough to stay where applied, but not so thick that it becomes difficult to spread evenly. In terms of versatility, this glue exceeded my expectations. I tested it on various wood species, from soft pine to dense maple, and the bond strength remained consistently high. Even when subjected to stress tests, the joints held firm, often resulting in wood failure before glue joint failure, a testament to its bonding strength. The cleanup process is straightforward when the glue is wet, requiring only water and a cloth. Once cured, I found it sands easily without gumming up sandpaper, and it accepts stains and finishes well, though I always recommend cleaning any squeeze out thoroughly before it dries. Number 4. Gorilla Superglue. My experience with Gorilla Superglue revealed its exceptional versatility in furniture repair scenarios. The standout feature is undoubtedly its precision applicator system, which combines both brush and nozzle options. During detailed repair work on carved furniture pieces, this dual application system proved invaluable for achieving precise control over glue placement. The formula's impact resistance particularly impressed me during durability testing. I subjected repaired joints to various stress tests, including impact testing and load bearing, and the bonds maintained their integrity impressively. The anti-clog cap design is more than just marketing. After months of use, the nozzle remained clear and functional, a significant improvement over traditional superglue packaging. What sets this adhesive apart is its ability to bond multiple materials commonly found in furniture. During my testing, I successfully repaired not only wood joints, but also metal hardware, rubber components, and even decorative ceramic elements. The versatility makes it an excellent all-around option for furniture repair shops dealing with various materials. The quick-setting nature of this glue requires careful planning and precise application. In my experience, you have about 10 to 30 seconds of positioning time, depending on the materials being bonded. While this might seem challenging, I found it particularly advantageous for quick repairs where minimal clamping time is desired. One particularly impressive aspect is the glue's ability to penetrate slightly into wood fibers while maintaining its strength. During my testing on end grain repairs, which are typically challenging, the bond strength exceeded my expectations, creating durable joints that withstood considerable stress. 3. Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue. After extensive testing of Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue, I can confidently say this product stands out in the crowded wood glue market. The waterproof capabilities are truly remarkable. I subjected test joints to various moisture conditions, including direct water exposure and high humidity environments, and the bonds remained incredibly stable. The glue's working characteristics make it a pleasure to use in the workshop. During my testing, I appreciated the balanced viscosity that allows for easy application while maintaining excellent control. When working on vertical surfaces, the glue stayed in place without running, yet spread easily when pressure was applied during clamping. One of the most impressive features I discovered during testing was its gap-filling capability. While working on antique furniture restoration, where joints often aren't perfect, this glue demonstrated excellent performance in filling small voids while maintaining structural integrity. The final bond strength in these imperfect joints exceeded my expectations. Temperature resistance testing showed excellent results across a wide range of conditions. I subjected test pieces to both cold and heat cycles, and the joints maintained their strength admirably. This makes it particularly suitable for furniture pieces that might be exposed to varying environmental conditions. The glue's natural color when dried is another significant advantage. During my testing on various wood species, from light maple to dark walnut, the glue lines remained nearly invisible. This characteristic is particularly valuable when working on visible joints or repairs where aesthetics are crucial. Number 2. Gorilla Original Gorilla Glue. During my comprehensive testing of the original Gorilla Glue, I discovered why this polyurethane formula has become a staple in professional furniture repair. The most fascinating aspect is its unique expansion property. The glue actually expands into the wood fibers during curing, creating an incredibly strong mechanical bond. This characteristic proved particularly valuable when working with problematic joints that had slight gaps. In my moisture resistance tests, this glue demonstrated exceptional performance. I subjected test pieces to various environmental conditions, including direct water exposure and high humidity, and the bonds remained remarkably stable. The waterproof nature of this adhesive makes it an excellent choice for outdoor furniture or pieces exposed to moisture, such as bathroom vanities or kitchen cabinets. One of the most impressive features I discovered during my testing was its ability to bond dissimilar materials. When repairing a modern furniture piece that combined wood with metal and plastic components, this glue created bonds that were remarkably strong and durable. The versatility extends to bonding foam, glass, and even certain types of stone, making it an invaluable tool for contemporary furniture repair. Temperature resistance testing revealed outstanding performance across extreme conditions. Test pieces were subjected to both freezing temperatures and heat exposure, and the bonds maintained their integrity impressively. This characteristic makes it particularly suitable for furniture pieces that might be exposed to varying environmental conditions, such as patio furniture or garage storage units. The curing process requires some attention to detail, as the glue is moisture activated. During my testing, I found that lightly dampening one surface before application yielded the best results. While this extra step might seem inconvenient, the resulting bond strength more than justifies the additional effort. The foam-like expansion during curing also means you need to use less glue than you might expect. A little goes a long way. Number 1. STARBOND EM02 Super Fast Thin. After months of testing the STARBOND EM02, I can confidently say this adhesive represents the pinnacle of precision furniture repair. The ultra-thin viscosity of this cyanoacrylate formula is truly remarkable, allowing it to penetrate deep into wood fibers through capillary action. This characteristic proved invaluable when dealing with hairline cracks in valuable antique pieces. The precision applicator system is a masterpiece of design. During my detailed repair work on intricate wooden joints and delicate veneers, the fine tip allowed for incredibly precise application. The anti-clog cap system maintained the applicator's functionality throughout months of testing, and the included extra tips ensured consistent performance over long-term use. Perhaps the most impressive aspect I discovered during testing was its versatility across different wood species. Whether working with dense exotic hardwoods or soft domestic species, the penetration and bond strength remained consistently excellent. The speed of penetration and curing is particularly impressive. Most repairs achieved handling strength within seconds, though I always recommend allowing full cure time for maximum strength. The clarity of the cured adhesive is another standout feature. During my restoration work on high-value furniture pieces, the virtually invisible repair lines were crucial for maintaining aesthetic value. Unlike some competitors that can leave visible residue or slight discoloration, STARBOND EM2 cures to a crystal clear finish that's practically undetectable. One particularly noteworthy application I found was in stabilizing weak or deteriorated wood areas. When dealing with antique pieces that had suffered wood rot or insect damage, carefully applied STARBOND EM2 penetrated and strengthened the compromised areas effectively. This capability alone makes it an invaluable tool for furniture restoration specialists. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.